So, let's address the elephant in the digital room. Can you actually delete a Vagaro account? The short answer, thankfully, is yes. But like many things in the digital realm, yes often comes with caveats, procedures, and a little bit of navigation. It's not always as simple as clicking a giant delete button that instantly wipes your existence from the platform. There are considerations, especially when dealing with a service that handles sensitive client data, payment information, and intricate booking histories. Vagaro, being a comprehensive business management tool, has a responsibility to both its account holders and, indirectly, to the clients whose information is stored within those accounts. This responsibility often translates into a more structured and sometimes less instantaneous deletion process. Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch upon why this question is so prevalent. In an ideal world, every online service would offer a straightforward, one-click deletion option that completely erases all associated data. However, legal obligations, data retention policies, and the complexities of integrated systems often make this a more involved process. Companies might be required to retain certain financial records for a period, or they might need to ensure that client information isn't inadvertently lost or compromised during an account closure. For a platform like Vagaro, which facilitates transactions and manages a detailed history of services, the implications of a hasty deletion are significant. Imagine a client needing a past service record for insurance, or a business owner needing financial reports for tax purposes, only to find them irrevocably gone. These scenarios underscore why a methodical approach to account deletion is often preferred, if not mandated. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. If you're looking to delete your Vagaro account, here's the general roadmap you'll likely follow. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the type of Vagaro account you hold. Are you a business owner with a Vagaro business account, managing appointments, clients, and staff? Or are you a client who simply uses Vagaro to book appointments with your favorite salon or stylist? The deletion process differs significantly for these two user types. If you are a client who has used Vagaro to book appointments, your path to account deletion is generally simpler. You can often manage your account settings directly within the Vagaro app or website. Look for Account Settings or Profile Settings. Within these sections, you should find an option related to account closure or deletion. It might not be prominently displayed, and you may need to scroll or click through a few submenus. Vagaro's primary focus is on serving businesses, so client account management features, while present, might not be as front and center as business tools. When you initiate the deletion, you might be prompted to confirm your decision and potentially asked for a reason. This feedback helps Vagaro understand user behavior and improve their service. Keep in mind that deleting your client account will typically remove your booking history and personal information associated with that account. However, any past appointments you booked might still be visible to the businesses you patronized, as they maintain their own records within their Vagaro business accounts. This is a common practice to ensure businesses have a complete history of their client interactions. Now, if you are a business owner with a Vagaro business account, the process is more involved, and for good reason. Your account holds sensitive client data, payment information, staff details, and extensive financial records. Simply deleting it could have significant legal and operational repercussions. Therefore, Vagaro requires a more formal process to ensure data integrity and compliance. The first and most critical step for business owners considering deletion is to back up all your essential data. This includes client lists, appointment histories, sales reports, employee records, and any other crucial information you've stored within Vagaro. While Vagaro provides reporting tools, it's prudent to export this data to your own secure storage system before initiating any deletion request. Think of it as preparing for a complete system migration. You wouldn't just pull the plug on a server without backing up everything first, and the same principle applies here. Once your data is securely backed up, you'll typically need to contact Vagaro support directly to request account deletion. This isn't usually an option you'll find within your business account settings. Vagaro's support team will guide you through the necessary steps, which may include verifying your identity, confirming your decision, and ensuring that all outstanding balances are settled. They might also inquire about the reason for your departure, again, to gather feedback and understand user churn. It's important to be aware that there might be a notice period or a specific protocol for business account termination. This is to allow for proper data handling and to ensure that any active subscriptions or services are appropriately concluded. Vagaro, like many SaaS providers, operates on a subscription model, and the terms of your service agreement will dictate the specifics of cancellation and deletion. Be sure to review these terms when you sign up, and again when you consider canceling. Furthermore, consider the implications for your clients. If your clients primarily book through your Vagaro page, you'll need to communicate your transition clearly and provide them with an alternative booking method well in advance. Abruptly deleting your account without notice could leave your clients in the lurch and potentially damage your professional reputation. Finally, a word on permanence. When Vagaro confirms account deletion, it generally means your data will be removed from their active systems. However, like most online services, Vagaro may retain certain data for a period due to legal obligations, auditing requirements, or for backup and disaster recovery purposes. This residual data is typically anonymized or held in secure, offline archives and is not actively used. The goal is to ensure that while your public presence and active data are gone, the company can still comply with any regulatory requirements it might have. So, to reiterate, yes, you absolutely can delete your Vagaro account whether you're a client or a business owner. The process varies in complexity, with client accounts being simpler to manage directly, and business accounts requiring direct communication with Vagaro support and careful data backup. The key is to approach the process systematically, ensuring you understand the implications and take the necessary precautions, especially if you're a business. Taking control of your digital presence is empowering, and knowing how to properly disengage from services is a crucial part of that empowerment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.